Good morning. Good morning on a Saturday morning in Sandton. Time is 10 minutes to 7. So I thought I would just do a quick walk around the posh streets of Sandton before it gets busy. Then I'm gonna walk around and show you where I slept last night, which is Airbnb number 2. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share as well. Let's see how far I can walk, because we're not very far from Mandela Square. Let me see if I can walk around. Sandton is an upmarket ultra city around Johannesburg. And so you get expensive cars like this one here. What we'll do, we'll finish our video with a tour of where I spent the night. I think it's the poshest Airbnb where I've slept. So I'll quickly walk up there. Let's see. I don't think I can walk around. But anyway, this is what Sandton looks like. Johannesburg is at a distance over there. There's a few gym facilities over there and some very posh apartments. I think we'll walk to the top of the street there and see what we find. All buildings here are secured, so there's security before you get in. So you cannot just enter. So if you go straight ahead, there's that's Mandela Square. That's where all the restaurants and bars are located. Let's see, can we go down there? They got all these I turn around. Well, anyway, that's just a glimpse of what Sandton looks like. I'll do a video when I'm driving out, when it's nice and busy. So in the meantime, let's go back to the Airbnb. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny, it's free. So just click the button. Right, I'm just walking to my Airbnb where I spent the night. Very cozy, posh, very posh Airbnb. So I won't tell you the price. You'll have to take a guess how much I paid to stay here overnight. And the reason why I chose it because of the proximity around the popular places in around Sandton, and very fast internet, and the price, of course, because if you use US dollars or pounds, your money goes a long way in South Africa at the moment. There's a few buildings out that got Auto Trader. Don't know whether it's still rented by Auto Trader, but there's a few business premises that are available to rent, and those are apartments over there. Let me just put a pause. This is where I spent the night here at Black Brick. That's where I spent the night. In this very posh apartment. Boss, job.
This is the gate for the police.
Because in so we still have to use that one.
This is the gate.
Do I need a code?
No.
No code.
If you're working here, there's no problem.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you that this is the gate for the pedestrian. I saw you coming out for the first time.
Yeah, because I saw a red light there, so I didn't know whether I'm supposed to use the code.
Let me show you this gate. See that guy there? He's the security guy.
Okay.
He's having a party.
I didn't see.
No problem.
No problem, boss.
But next time, please.
No problem, boss. Yeah.
This one, they asking me the cameras. Now people are walking this side. I don't know what to answer.
Don't worry, no problem, yeah? Right, this is how secure this place is. So this is where I stayed overnight, and this is my hired car, Toyota hybrid. Very nice. Right, this is the entrance to the apartment. We are going on third floor. So you can't just enter this building, you have to have a security code that you enter at the door for you to get in. And this is third floor where the Airbnb is located, and you find all these in this building. I was going to show you that, but I think there's no access to it at the moment. So if you do have guests, you can actually go inside here. You can't see anything because you need access. And there's a library in there. Unfortunately, it's a bit dark, you can't see anything. There's a few apartments over there, and this is where I am. And here, room 3034. welcome to I spent the night. Where I am. For the price that you pay, this is worth the money. This is a bathroom. It's only got one bathroom, toilet, shower, sink, and then you got your sink there, cooker, oven, microwave over there, and the fridge, of course, which is usually empty, and there's water depending on how long you're staying. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and this is the view from a bedroom window. I think this is the only downside because you're looking at these buildings here. It would be nice if you're looking at the main street down there. So this is where I spent the night. So let me know what you think. I will drop the link in the video description, and next time, probably if you're in Sandton, if you consider spending a night or two here, this will be the best place to stay. And it's very close to all the main tourist attractions in Sandton, and it's very safe as well, so you don't need to worry about security, as you saw there, because when I was going out, I walked out through the boom gate. There's pedestrian access to it, but I didn't know that because I saw a red light flashing there, so I didn't know whether you need a code. So that just tells you how secure this place is. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more content. And once again, please press the subscribe button, and when you watch videos, please can you just watch through all the adverts. I know it's annoying. That's what funds this channel. It funds all the activities that I take part in to get you the best content. So once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned and stay safe.